Dear love, finally, the long wait is over. From being classmates to friend, to kainuman, to lovers, and now, to wife and husband. I can still remember the day that I've prayed for you. I also prayed na sana bigyan ako ni Lord ng someone na susuportahan ako sa lahat ng bagay. Someone na susuportahan ako sa lahat ng gusto ko sa buhay.
Hi love, our most awaited day has finally come. Alam mo ba, I already told you my vows 3 years ago. Yes, ganun ako ka-sure na sa kasalan talaga ang hantungan ng relationship natin.
Ken at Yeng. Itong araw na ito, tatandaan nyo ito. Itong araw na ito, pinakita nyo sa mga bisita nyo na ang desisyong ito panghabang buhay. Ken, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Yeng na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes po, Father. Iba talaga si Lord gumawa ng plano. Unexpected relationship turns to perfect relationship.
Pag-iingatan ko na tong relationship na meron ako ngayon kasi last na to, love. Ayoko na ng iba pa. Pag nagkatampuhan tayo, oh my God, maglalambingan tayo pag magkaaway tayo. Ano, pwede ba umiyak, sir? Mag-uusap tayo ng maayos kapag naging matumal yung ikot ng relationship natin. Magta-travel tayo. Magsisimba tayo, isusumbong kita kay Lord. Magde-date tayo sa bagong lugar na may bagong experience. Pag hindi effective, babalikan natin lahat ng una nating narating, love.
I remember nung naging tayo, 2 weeks after, napansin ko, di pa tayo nagkikiss sa lips. So, bigla ako nagsalita. Sabi ko, love, 2 weeks na tayong mag-jowa. Di pa tayo nagkikiss. Kita ko mukha ni Mayeng. Sobrang hiyang-hiya. Bigla siya nagsalita ng, di ko pa kaya. Pakiramdam ko, si Levi yung ikikiss ko. Kaya sobrang nagtawanan kami. Pero syempre, di ako papayag. Ayun, nakaisang kiss din ako. Mayeng, you are my better half. The most gentle, kind-hearted woman I've ever met. We know since the beginning, it's been all natural for us. We just work for it together.
Sweetheart, you look a little tired. When did you last eat? Come in and make yourself right at home. Stay as long as you need. Tell me is something wrong, if something's wrong, you can count.
Gusto ko lang na malaman mo na nandito lang ako, whatever na mangyari sa relationship nyo. Always put of God sa center ng relationship nyo. And ayun, love na love kita. Pati si Ken.
Thank you, te. I love you.
Cheers!
Down this weight of your shoulders.
Hoy, te! True enough, napakabait and responsible mo, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa lahat ng tao sa life mo. Your family, your friends, workmates, and others. Bonus na lang talaga nagwapo ka. Tapos, yan.
Like a tidal wave will make a mess. Calm waters if that serves you best. I will love you without any strings attached. It's okay if you
So,
can't
this is my gift for you.
catch your breath.
Sa Sana magustuhan mo. Please open
You
it
can
now.
take the oxygen straight out of my
Thank you, love. I love it so much. Ah! Gustong-gusto ko itong fry cut. Thank you, love. I love you so much. Alam na alam mo yung mga gusto ko sa buhay. Ikaw talaga yung tumutupad. Hindi ko kasi, parang hindi ko ma-afford yung mahal. Pero sa self ko, si Ken talaga yung magtutupad. Oh my God.
I always thank God for all this happiness. And of course, thank you, Mayang, for giving me a chance to show my sincerity for you. Thank you for coming into my life, love.
Ako ang number one supporter mo sa lahat ng dreams and plans mo sa buhay. Hindi lang kita basta papanoorin. I will always be your partner to help you with all my strength. Don't be afraid to dream. Dream high. Kahit gaano pa kataas, tatlo tayong aabot sa mga yan. Si God, ikaw, at ako. Super excited na ako maging misis mo. Dati, mga notebooks ko lang yung inuuwi mo. Ngayon, ako na mismo.
like a force to be reckoned with, a mighty ocean or a gentle kiss. I will love you without any strings attached. And what a privilege it is to love, a great honor to hold you. Like a force to be reckoned with, a mighty ocean or a gentle kiss. I will love you with every single thing I have. Like a tidal wave will make a mess of cold waters if that serves you best. I will love you without any strings attached. I will love you without a single string.
Love you, Puso. Good luck. Married wife, married life. Basta dito lang kami ni Daddy. Love you so much, Puso. God bless you.
I love you po. Lagi kong ipapaalala sa'yo kung gano'n kita kamahal araw-araw. Kahit hindi mahirap man yung life natin ahead. I'll always choose to stay by your side. Ayun, walang kahit anong challenge yung makakapag-separate sa atin. Kaya nga na sinabi, only Lord can separate us. So, knowing Lord, pag binigay niya, hindi naman niya binabago. So yun, I love you so much. Forever.
Marrying you is the best decision of my life, and it will be an eternity for eternity. May God bless us and our marriage. I love you so much, asawa ko, forever and ever. Your husband, Ken.
May our wedding day always remind us that on this day, together, we face the Lord with all sincerity, confidence, certainty, and courage to promise each other and God that we are ready to enjoy and conquer life as one. To be each other's number one cheerer to all our winning moments, and to be each other's home and comfort through our losing moments. I love you so much, love. Endearment lang natin, pero ngayon, officially, matatawag na kita na asawa ko.